crossroads seem to come and go. Ooh. The gypsy flies from coast to coast, knowing any loving no, bearing sorrow, having fun. But back home he'll always run to sweet Melissa. Freight train, each car looks the same. Oh, the same. No one knows the gypsy's name. No one hear his lonely sigh. The round old blankets where he lies, roaring sweet dreams he'll always fly to sweet Melissa. Again the morning comes, again he's on the run. Sunshine shining through his hair, appearing not to have a care. Pick up your gear and gypsy roll on, roll on. Whoa, whoa. Crossroads, won't you never let him go? Or will you hide the dead man's ghost? Will he lay upon the plain? Or will his spirit fly away? But I know that he won't stay without Melissa. But I know that he won't stay without Melissa.